Training needs assessment is a crucial process that can make or break an organization's success. Let's dive into its key components: organizational analysis, operational analysis, and person analysis. Understanding these elements is essential for identifying training needs and aligning them with our organizational goals. First, let's talk about organizational analysis. This step involves looking at the big picture. We need to assess the organization's mission, goals, and the external environment. What skills and knowledge are necessary to achieve our objectives? By evaluating our current capabilities against our strategic goals, we can pinpoint gaps that need to be addressed. This analysis helps us understand not just what we need, but why we need it. Next up is operational analysis. This is where we get into the nitty-gritty of day-to-day operations. We examine specific job roles, tasks, and the skills required to perform them effectively. Are there any performance issues? Are employees struggling with certain tasks? By conducting interviews, surveys, and observations, we can gather valuable insights. This analysis helps us identify the specific training that will enhance performance and productivity. Now, let's move on to person analysis. This component focuses on the individual employees. It's about understanding their current skill levels, learning styles, and motivation. Not everyone learns the same way, and recognizing these differences is key to effective training. We can use assessments and feedback to determine who needs training and what type of training will be most beneficial. This personalized approach ensures that we're not just throwing generic training at everyone, but rather tailoring it to meet individual needs. Once we've completed these analyses, we can start identifying training needs. It's about connecting the dots between what the organization needs, what the operations require, and what the employees can deliver. This alignment is critical. If we train employees on skills that don't support organizational goals, we're wasting time and resources. Implementing effective training programs is the next step. With a clear understanding of our training needs, we can design programs that are relevant, engaging, and impactful. Whether it's workshops, e-learning, or on-the-job training, the key is to ensure that the training is aligned with our analysis. In conclusion, training needs assessment is not just a checkbox on a to-do list. It's a strategic approach that empowers organizations to develop their workforce effectively. By focusing on organizational, operational, and person analysis, we can create targeted training programs that drive performance and support our goals. This process ultimately leads to a more skilled, motivated, and productive workforce, which is the backbone of any successful organization.